This is the Oukitel WP58 Pro. Oukitel is highlighting one key feature with this phone. It's the world's first 5G rugged smartphone with dual camping lights, which you can control separately or use together. In this video, we'll see how practical that feature really is, while also going over the phone's main specs and everything it offers. So let's start by unboxing it and check out what's inside the box. Inside the box, you'll find the WP58 Pro itself, which we'll set aside for now. Along with that, there's the usual documentation, a USB Type-C cable, and a 33-watt charging adapter. That's pretty much everything included. My first impression is that the phone clearly designed for durability. It's 17.2 millimeters thick and weighs about 370 grams. That's expected for a rugged device designed to handle tough conditions. On the right side, you'll find the volume rocker and the power button, which also doubles as the fingerprint sensor for quick and secure unlocking. On the left side, there's a customizable shortcut button, sometimes used as a PTT button that you can assign to your favorite apps or functions. You'll also find the sealed tray for dual SIM cards and a memory card, so you can expand the already large storage. Up top, there's just a microphone, and at the bottom, you'll see the Type-C charging port protected by a rubber flap to help keep the phone waterproof. Now, the real highlight is on the back. The dual camping light system. These are two powerful light panels built right into the phone's body. One gives you a 1000 lumen white light, perfect for inspection or general use. The other is a 900 lumen ambient light, which creates a softer glow for a more comfortable atmosphere. You can even turn both on at the same time to light up your surroundings, and there's an SOS mode for emergencies. All of this is controlled through the built-in Camping Lights app. The phone using the huge 10,000 mAh battery, which supports 33-watt PD fast charging and enables the 10-watt reverse charging feature, allowing you to power up other devices in the field. The Oukitel WP58 Pro comes with a 6.7-inch HD Plus display at 720 by 1600 resolution. What stands out here is the 120 Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling feel smooth and keeps animations more responsive. Under the hood, it's powered by the UMS 9621S octa-core processor. The phone also offers flexible memory and storage options, with 8 GB of physical RAM plus up to 16 GB of virtual RAM to give the system a boost when needed. Storage is generous at 512 GB, and if that's not enough, you can expand it further with a memory card up to 1 TB. On the software side, it ships with Android 15. For connectivity, the WP58 Pro is built for global use, with support for full-band 5G. You also get NFC for contactless payments. And since it's a rugged device, Oukitel packs in a range of practical tools in the Toolbox app, such as a gyroscope for navigation, magnifier, sound meter, alarm bell, plumb bob, and more. On the back, the Oukitel WP58 Pro is equipped with a triple camera setup. The main sensor is 64 megapixels and works with a dual light fill system for better clarity. Alongside that, there's an 8 megapixel night vision camera for low light and nighttime shots, and a 2 megapixel macro camera, which Oukitel points out can be handy for close-up inspections or even specimen photography. On the front, you get an 8 megapixel camera for selfies and video calls. I'll show you some real-world samples so you can see how these cameras perform. I'm recording this video from the front camera, which is 8 megapixels from Oukitel WP58 Pro. This is the result you get from the front camera. It looks not bad. It offers FHD 1080p 30 fps. This is the result. Let me show you the running result. and now I'm walking, so you can see the result. The wind is very strong, so I don't know you can hear me or not. Whoa. Alright guys, now I'm recording this video from the back camera, which is 64 megapixel, and it gives you 4K video quality at 30 fps UHD, and I'm walking slowly so you can see the results. And let me see. Yes, it is. Next, this is 1x, 0.7, 3, 6.4, and 10x. Not bad. The video quality is impressive. It's not shaking too much, but let me show you the ultimate result. Yeah, now it was shaking, and this is the result if you wanted to record the video from the back camera. The wind is very strong, so I don't know you can hear me or not. The Oukitel WP58 Pro is a solid rugged phone with practical features. The dual camping lights add real utility, the large battery gives reliable backup, and the storage and 5G support make it well-rounded for everyday and outdoor use. The WP58 Pro is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.